11D space throne of Eros. But I see all 5 men, and you know what that means. Oh! Wait a minute. What the heck was that? Play that one more time. Savior, what the? That looks so bad. See, dang, the face card, don't look at that, man. Wait, why are you fighting him? What are you doing, MC? He's like, I know. You can't hurt me.
After the Sanctite Court's interests, I shall bless the new Empress.
You can bless me any day. My baby, what? My baby, what? Wait, what's going on? I need some context here. Wait, what?
Stop struggling.
Oh, dang.
Escape.
Dang! Oh, look at that, look at that. The confidence. He's like, you can't escape.
You can't escape.
Imagine. Oh, man, imagine. Wait, whoa. What was it? Oh, hello. Again. Oh. I got too excited. Oh my gosh! The intensity! I need to. Oh! Look at them! Holy shit! Who kisses like that? They go like, yeah,